Welcome to this short video on repairing the stop-start stuttering running with a Dapol Class 73. The problem is mainly caused by poor conductivity between the contact in the bogie and the bearing in the wheel. And there are two main issues that are causing that. The first is over lubrication at the factory of the gears within the bogie, and that leaks onto the contact. And the second is that the contact strips become bent back and have poor contact with the wheels. It's a relatively simple and quick fix once you know how to dismantle the bogie, and that's what we'll quickly go through in this video. So the bogie is secured by 4 clips. We've got one at the front, which is the first one we're going to undo, and then 2 on either side, and then 1 at the rear of the bogie. The one at the front is accessed by pulling the bogie off to one side and then inserting a screwdriver in to lever it out. We're then just going to lever, very gently lever off the 2 side clips, and then the bogie cover just lifts off from the front to show the wheel bearings, the contact strips, the gears, and all that extra grease. We then just lift the axle out, and we're going to give the whole area a very good clean, the contacts, the wheel bearing, all the plastic housing round about the wheels and the contact, a good clean with either methylated spirits or isopropanol. We're then just going to bend the contacts slightly so that they get a better contact with the wheel bearing, and then we're just going to repeat that process for the second axle in this bogie and then for the second bogie, and then get everything reassembled.